Hi, I'm Karen Sperling, and I'm excited to show you my new Artistry Adobe Photoshop brushes, Volume 2, for painting Impressionist-style gardens. This is a painting I painted with them based on a photo. These brushes are useful for painting anything with leaves, from people and pet portraits to landscapes. What follows is a look at each brush in the collection. Leaves 01 paints multiple leaves. Press lightly for smaller ones and more heavily for bigger ones. Click and drag over leaves for more opaque results. The leaves point in the direction that you paint. Leaves 02 paints a blanket of leaves quickly. The more you paint, the more opaque they get. Leaves 03 paints multiple sized leaves based on how heavily you press the stylus. Press lightly and they're more narrow. Press heavily and they're wider. Leaves 04 also paints multiple leaves quickly. Layer colors for nice blendy results. Leaves 05 paints multiple random leaves and also builds up interesting colors. Leaves 06 paints singular, same-size leaves pointing in the direction that you paint in. Leaf 7 paints multiple leaves. Press lightly for small ones and heavily for large ones. Leaves 08 paints fill-in leaves. Leaves 09 paints rows of fill-in leaves. Leaves 10 paints hard-edged leaves. Leaves 11 paints multiple hard-edged leaves. Leaves 12 paints dark leaves. Click and hold to get darker ones. Leaves 13 Blendy blends in the nature of the previous 3 brushes. Leaves 14 Blendy blends with a rounder look. Leaves 15 is for painting details like leaves and trees and also figures. Leaves 16 blends in the nature of the Leaves 15 brush. Leaves 17 paints dark leaves. Click and hold to get darker leaves. Leaves 18 paints in a more abstract way. Leaves 19 Blendy is another blender. It tends to blend more heavily than the other blenders. And that's a look at my new Artistry Adobe Photoshop brushes, Volume 2, for painting Impressionist-style gardens. You can get them at artistrymag.com or as part of your membership when you join the Artistry Academy of Painting for Photographers at karensperling.com. Happy painting!